Are you ready? 10,000 BUSD?
Yep. All right, is the lucky winner. Everybody take their wallet.
Are you able to also show your screen too?
Huh?
Are you able to show your screen too? And we can just capture it in the recording.
I could.
Yeah, if you screen share, you could screen share the wallet that won.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
All right.
10,000 BUSD, everybody.
I didn't win.
You didn't win? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, excited over here.
Yeah.
All right, so I just pulled up the. Let's see. It's just going to kick me off because I'm on my phone. All right.
Yeah.
Anybody there?
Yeah.
I hear you.
Okay, now I can hear you.
Nobody in the chat then.
All right, so the lottery wallet went out. It went out to be on blockchain. There is the winner.
Well, that's me. I'm just joking.
All right. So wallet ending in 7809.
That's not me. Congratulations, random person.
Congratulations to the winner. 10,000 BUSD.
And it's in there too.
For someone.
Damn, a ton of tokens.
I'm nosy. I'm looking. I'm looking.
Looks like they're very diverse.
Yeah. Looks like they had bought some Squid Game at some point too.
Hey, can we post that wallet in the chat? Somebody?
Sure.
Yeah.
Where the heck is their glow at?
I saw it on there. There it is.
They have been pretty consistent on buying.
Nice. That's wonderful. What a nice payday.
Yeah, kudos to them for sure. They made the right choice buying Glow.
Yeah.
Let's see.